Hey, Big Blue. Okay, Brad, stop. Stop, please. Hi, Blue. Hey, puppy. Hey, Joe puppy.
Alright, Kev, if I give you my keys, will you back out my car and have Brad
Sure.
take the trash out?
Please?
I wonder if you really could do that, if you could back it out.
We're in our property.
Mom, want me to try? Dad? Dad?
Hey, Big Blue.
Well, Kev's driven the truck before.
My fingers.
Correct? Yeah.
In the snow.
You let him back out.
But I didn't take it into the garage.
Oh, you want water again?
Dude, you just had water and you just went potty.
You could drink a river.
Hey, Big Blue.
I want to take the puppies camping. Camping? Yeah. Like
Where are you going?
We got river.
Oh, he smells the paint, Mom.
I got the paint set. Just like your mommy.
It's just a dishwasher.
She does the same thing. Caleb, catch.
No.
Here.
No, Brad. Seriously, no.
Take the keys. No, I was just kidding, Brad. I'd get in trouble.
We're on our property.
Caleb's driven Dad's truck.
Hey, Big Blue. Big Blue.
Hey, babe. Wait. Babe? Can you put these in the trash real quick? Oh, yeah, and then one time Caleb drove us to Walmart so he could get
You
the
following Mommy? What?
Get your keys, Blue? That's right. I told her.
Woo.
What? He didn't go to Walmart and work hard? No, he didn't. Did you?
No.
Yeah. God's honor? On the Holy Bible? No. Uh-huh. That's what I thought. Why do you always do that?
Hey, Big Blue.
I know you get the truth out of you.
You following Mommy?
Oh, that's me. Well, that means we can't.
Hi, Mom.
No!
What?
I'm at my worst right now. Do not videotape me.
Big Blue. Hey, buddy. Oh, Lisa. Get it, Blue. Get it.
Good bugs.
Don't put it on me.
Bugs in our house.
Get it. Brad, stop. I'm trying to tape it.
Nope.
He's going after the laser, Mom.
No, he's after my
No,
magazine. And I need that recipe because that's that cheese
You
that you all like. Mom, you're on film. Don't
Yeah.
me.
I got you and Blue.
I see your bra. Here.
What? Brad?
No.
You're
Here.
so weird.
Get him like this.
Hey, Big Blue.
Like this.
He's a good boy. Brad, stop. He's not interested in that anymore.
I'm a-walking after midnight. Na, na, na,
It's actually
na.
8:32.
You cannot put that in his eyes. I'm
Brad.
not putting it on his top.
Brad, stop. Seriously.
Oh.
Get it, Blue.
Not my toe. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Oh. Can't see anything now.
Wait, no.
Get it,
Now
Blue.
turn it off. Dad, turn it off quick.
No. Get it, Blue.
He's gonna get dizzy.
He is.
You dizzy
Oh,
now?
he is dizzy. He doesn't know where he is.
Hi, baby. They're not very nice boys, huh? They're making you dizzy.
What? I never did it. Big Blue.
Mo does it with Cameo all the time.
What's your tail, Blue? Jeez. Get.
I mean, he could really use his tail as a play toy. Maybe.
He'll probably chase his tail. Get it.
Brad, no.
Just teaching him bad manners.
Too cute.